Hey friends, if you wish to download and use BlueStacks on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, I searched for BlueStacks on the Microsoft Store and I didn't find it, which means that it does not exist on the Microsoft Store. Else, I would have used it directly from there. Now, if it isn't available there, then here's what you can do. Go to the website, which is bluestacks.com, and go to the download section and click on download BlueStacks 10. So it will download an exe file. Then I click on that exe file and I'll click on yes, and it will start checking the system for requirements, and then it will give the option to install, and then I can install it. Now it's not a huge software, it's just 159 MB. If you have a fast enough internet connection, it will download in a few seconds, or if not a few seconds, maybe a minute or a minute and a half. And once it has installed, you can obviously open it. So I'm waiting for the installation. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Yep, it's done. It's downloading still. So it has various parts, like one was the 156 MB one, and this is the second part, which is the 456 MB one. It will need a few minutes, and we can wait till then, and we can read a little more about BlueStacks meanwhile. So BlueStacks had this BlueStacks 5 version, BlueStacks 4 version. We could download any of these, and we chose the BlueStacks 10 one, and we can also update it, which means they're constantly sending updates. And is it free to download? Yes, it is an Android emulator and it's free to download. So this would be very interesting because I really love Android, and it can be very helpful in creating videos. I create videos for Windows, and it can help me create Windows for Android as well. So we will definitely use it. Let's check for more features. It has game controls, moments, and multi instances, some macros and all. And which games does it support? Okay, arcade and all. These are categories of games. Let me check the action ones. Okay, it does have Call of Duty, interestingly. It has almost installed. And then another 122 MB. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let us check about its support meanwhile. Okay, so for support, they don't have any support other than the email support, but what they have is a forum here. Once it is installed on your system, you can use the emulator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.